Hello, my name is Christian Schepers and today I would like to introduce the universal gas detector Snooper Mini. As we will see later, the Snooper Mini is very easy to use and versatile. The Snooper Mini is available in a version with a permanently attached swan neck or with a swan neck hand sensor and spiral cable. The spiral cable makes it easier to read the display, for example in hard to reach places. These two versions are available for methane and propane. The unit is always permanently designed for one type of gas. The type of gas can be read on the back. The Snooper Mini Hydrogen is only available with an attached swan neck. The gas type hydrogen can be recognized by the blue probe head. A gas-sensitive semiconductor sensor specially designed for hydrogen is used here. The following accessories are useful: a charging device for the rechargeable batteries of the Snooper Mini, the dust filter Snooper Mini for the probe head, and the Snooper test set. Gas detection devices must be checked at prescribed intervals. This also includes the application of test gas. The Snooper test set is a simple and inexpensive way to do this. It consists of a pressure reducer with test head and a test gas can, suitable for the type of gas used in Snooper Minis. The whole set is stored in a robust outdoor case.